Hello healthy fam, welcome back to Live Healthy with Judith YouTube channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you exactly how I made these three easy pineapple based immune boosting juices without the use of a juicer. So please sit back and enjoy this video. The first thing I needed to do was to get all my fruit washed and cut, and I first of all started by adding pineapples into my blender, and then I proceeded to adding my beetroot and grapes, and then you can go ahead to add either your ice or some little water to allow the mixture blend properly, and you just simply blend it to a very smoothing consistency. I bet you guys this juice will not just make you look younger and healthier every day, it will make you glow. You can see how thick it's looking. Remember, we said it is a juice, not a smoothie, and you will not need any juicer to achieve this. So after blending the fruit, I just simply sieve out the juice from it, and then this is how it looked, so luscious. And this is the first of the juice recipe, and I actually called this my beet melon juice. Oh my goodness, you will absolutely love it. So do let me know if you're going to try out this recipe. So let's go into the second recipe. So the first thing I did was to add my pineapples first into the blender. Remember, we said it's a pineapple based juice. Then I proceeded to add in my cucumbers and then my lettuce. These three fruits are going to bring out a glowing and immune boosting green juice that will wow you. So I proceeded to add in a little water just to allow the fruit blend easily using the blender. So guys, if this is your first time of stopping by on this channel, I want to say welcome to you, and please do not leave this channel until you have clicked the red button called the subscribe button. Please just click it. You all know that it is free of charge now. Please just do that for us and support us. And then if you're a returning subscriber, I want to say thank you for sticking with us till this time. We love you all. So guys, our green juice is ready, and oh my goodness, can you just see the glow? It is actually oozing out so much glowness. This juice is going to make you look absolutely younger and healthier. So let's proceed to the last and final juice recipe. And you first of all add your pineapples into your blender, and then you go ahead to add your carrot, and lastly just a little water to allow it blend properly, and you just blend this away to a very smoothing paste. And interestingly, these three immune boosting juice recipes are super easy and quick to do. So guys, I really would love you all to try this and give me your feedback in the comment section. So our final juice is almost ready, and voila, here comes our pine glow immune boosting juice. My goodness, you take this juice and you will be glowing from inside out. So if you haven't clicked on that like button to give us a thumbs up, please do so now and support our channel. And if you are still contemplating to subscribe to our channel, please hit that subscribe button and join this healthy family. We love to have you to be part of this family. And if you know you're going to try this recipe, please do so, and let me also know what you think about this recipe in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again in my next video, do stay healthy and stay blessed. Bye.